definitely colder out there.
Yeah.
Katie looked a little chilly, but
Yes, the layers
Sure
are
did.
back after
Yes,
a brief
they
warm-up
are.
yesterday.
You know, I'm looking ahead and I see a little bit of a warm-up by the end of the
Oh.
7-day forecast.
Right?
look at you being all optimistic.
Yeah, trying. First time we've been able to say that in a while. It's not like it's
Yeah.
going to be dramatically warmer, but it does look like the cold may ease for at least a couple of days and the next week.
Okay.
Yeah,
We could take the bite out.
exactly.
Just a little bit would
Yeah,
be
that's
nice.
all we're looking for at this point. I just don't want to ruin a white Christmas. I'd like to have snow
True.
on the
That's
ground by
fair.
then,
Yep.
given all we've gone through. Tomorrow, though, it's going to be another cold and windy day, probably a colder feeling day than today. Gusts still up to about 30 miles per hour during the day tomorrow. Less wind over the weekend. There could be a few flurries, but overall a storm misses down to the south. And then another cold shot comes in for Monday of next week. 27 in Bangor, 25 in Lewiston, 26 in Portland. All of these numbers are down from where they were at 11 or noontime today. And that's thanks to this gusty west wind, gusting to 37 miles per hour in Portland, sending in the colder air. 12 right now in Portland, 16 in Bangor is what it feels like, and 5 the wind chill up in Greenville. So on average tonight, plan on wind chills that are in the single numbers to around 0 in most spots. We'll show you this here hour by hour. 8 o'clock, mostly clear to the south. Could be a few mountain flurries up around Eustis and Jackman too. Otherwise, though, it's dry through the night. Tomorrow morning, we don't make too much progress from the low temperature to the afternoon high. We'll see a mostly sunny sky in central and southern Maine, a little bit more cloud cover here to the east and north, but it's going to be a cold day. Average high is 40. We're going for 28 in Portland, 26 in Bangor, and 27 from Augusta to Freiburg tomorrow afternoon. There will be some gusts that top 30 or 35 miles per hour, especially first half of the day tomorrow, and then later on, those winds should ease. And it does look like we have a lighter wind coming up on Saturday. Sunshine in the morning, some clouds come in during the afternoon, and a very weak front could bring a few flurries on Saturday, but nothing more than that. I've been watching this storm all week. It continues to look like it passes pretty far off to our south. Maybe we get a few flurries and certainly some cloud cover, but at the moment it looks like the steady precipitation stays offshore, and that's been pretty consistent. We'll watch it, but doesn't really look like a hit. And then we turn cold again for the beginning part of next week. However, in the 6 to 10 day range, there are signs that the jet stream reconfigures itself a bit, and lately the eastern half of the country has been colder than average. Well, now it looks like the jet stream goes to the north and we are likely to be warmer than average in the December 17th, that's next Wednesday, through the 21st period. So that would translate to temperatures warmer than the upper 30s for highs and low 20s for lows. We'll see how it plays out, but little optimism there. Seas 6 to 9 feet tomorrow, westerly wind 25 to 30 knots with some higher gusts. So it's windy and cold tomorrow. Clouds increase on Saturday. There could be a flurry, but most of us are dry. A few flurries around on Sunday, particularly near the coast, and then it's cold and windy again for Monday. But we have mild in quotes there on Thursday and next week. We have not hit the 40-degree mark in Portland yet this month. That would be the 18th, I believe, to hit 42. And remember, our average high up until this point in the month has been in the 40s.
Yeah.
So it has been a cold month, but maybe we ease it back for at least a couple days next week.
It'll be shorts weather.
Right?
Feel it.
Ryan, thanks.
You're welcome.